Hey guys, 5-star here with turn 15 of Operation Varsity. It is July 1943, and it's the United States turn. That means we can start with tech rolls. We have improved factories, heavy armor, heavy strategic bombers and strategic rockets on the wish list. I will start down here with strategic rockets with a modifier of, nothing. So I need a 9 or higher. Come on. Okay, sorry, my dice tower is a bit weird. So I go up, I can actually finish strategic rockets, which is great. And if I can finish now the heavy strategic bombers, I get a +1 here, and I need a 9 or higher. Got an 11. So got both of those important tags, so now I have a victory point. And also I can buy those 2 items, which is great. Next up is heavy armor, and I need an 8 or higher, and there's no modifier for this. No, it's better. 4, missed that one. And improve factories with a 7 or higher. And a 2, I missed that too. I think I have to repair the dice tower here, so I missed on both heavy armor and improved factories. That means I have a +1 next turn. So 2 out of 4, which is great, and the important ones I got, which is perfect. That means I will buy for my 75 bucks these things here. You see I do a lot of Lend-Lease, actually 3 units. An air transport for FEC, an air transport for Anzac, so 16, and for KMT and artillery. So all these together are 20 bucks. 20 plus 5 destroyers. 5 destroyers are 30 IPP for me because of improved construction. 30 plus 20 is 50. 50 plus 2 marines is 58, plus a small factory. 64, a major port is 6, so I fast build for America. So that's 70, and sorry, now I did something wrong. Let's do it again. 20 for the bomber, for the air transports and the artillery, then another 30, it's 50, 58, plus 8 is 66, plus 6 is 72, and plus a militia is 74. I should save $1, and I get some items for free. The heavy strategic bombers and the strategic rocket. I think I will change plans here, because I think I cannot just place these units anywhere. It does count against my factory capacity. Let's change things a little bit here. So I think I will remove the 1 marine, and instead of these 4 IPP, I will spend a little bit more on another militia. So this is a direct replacement. So instead of a marine, I use a militia, and I think I can also buy another militia, but let me check quickly. Or I just save the money. Instead of, I'm just keeping those 3 IPP. Yes, I saved now 2 because the marine was 4, replaced it with militia, so that's difference is 2, and I saved $1 beforehand, so it should be I should save $3 here. Sorry for the chaos here. Let's see, but combat moves, there is no combat move here in the Pacific. We have to delay this for maybe another turn, but we have a combat move here in the Atlantic. So the only units left battling here is the Seaplane from Puerto Rico, trying to take down the submarine in A37. And I think that's about it for combat moves this turn. I need to prepare myself for other stuff to come. And I think, that's it. It's all my combat moves here. Not more to do. Yeah. it's like that. So the seaplane, I think we don't need the battle board. So I hit at a 3 or less, and I don't hit at all. Okay, German sub is still able to move around here doing damage, so I just land in Puerto Rico. Remove that one. Now the jet fighter from London flies to southern England, and the Strat bomber from southern England flies 1 to A22, then to Picardy is 2, Alsace-Lorraine is 3, Switzerland 4, Austria 5, Western Yugoslavia 6, and 7 to Albania. So the strategic bomber will be here in Albania now. And then more non-combat move to do. This guy here, this transport in port, is taking the picking up the infantry and moves 1, 2, 3. I think it's just one movement, and up down, unloaded here in southern Italy, joining the mountain infantry from the British. The 2 Marines from Albania, they will be moved with the 2 transports available here, so they just go across the Adriatic Sea here and be there in southern Italy. So it's a bit exposed here, but I will put some units back here at the end of the place unit phase. Let's do it a little bit different. This guy here, which came from Gibraltar with this transport, he just goes into Albania. No, the other way around. Sorry guys. One Marine will stay in Albania, and the other Marine will be placed or transported into southern Italy. Just a second, I need to bring an infantry unit across on the other side of the map. So there's now a Marine, an infantry, and a British mountaineer there. That's about it for the European side of the board. No, we have 2 coastal subs here. They go down from A21 to A28. Yes, just one movement, but now there's lots of non-combat movement to do here. The subs, which are currently here in San Francisco, and yeah, they move down to the Line Islands, so they have a movement of 3, so they go to P40, to P39, and to P38. All these 9 submarines go to Line Island. Sorry, 9, yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 subs in Line Island, and these guys here, the transports will pick up. Let me check. I have 1 transport, I have 2 and 3 transports. We'll pick up the Marine, we'll pick up 3 infantry, so that's 4. Light armor is 5, and they will move down to, let me check, they have movement of 3 because of the major naval facility. They move 1 to P37, 2 to the other way around. 1 to P38, 2 to P56, and 3 to P66 down here at Samoa. Of course, all the transports go down here together with the land units. It's a bit off the board. I'm a bit out of position now, but I hope I can do it that way. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 battleships in total. The 4 battleships will do the same thing. They move down to the transports here in Samoa. So this cannot be reached by the submarines from up here. So yes, they are a bit out of position, but let's do it like that. And these 2, 4, 6 transports, destroyers. Let me think about it for a moment. Let's start first with the coastal sub. So there's a submarine base here. So they move 1 to P27 and 2 to P36. Oh no, I need to have that here. And then the big fleet down here. So all light cruisers and all heavy battleships and all fleet carriers, they go to P64. Also out of reach for from the Japanese subs. So 4 light cruiser, 1, 2 heavy battleships, fleet carrier with 2 tags, fleet carrier with fighter and jet fighter. And now let me check this situation here because I need some blocker units. The heavy cruiser will also move to P64. Let me check the situation here because he can hit me, or Japan can hit me there, and I think that's why I use these things here. So in this P60 I bring 1 from New Zealand here from 73, move 1 to 71, 2 to 64, 3 to 63, and 4 to P60. It's the first blocker unit. The next one, same route. P73, P71, P64, here P62, and end up here in P51, blocking the Celebes Sea. And what more? There was another place to blockade because he has ships here in P41. That's his big task marker. He can reach 1, 2. Does it go? Yeah, 4 and 3. He could also move 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is blockaded. I need just another one, another blockading ship. I use another one here from New Zealand. So to 1 to 71, 2 to 64, 3 to 62, and then I will place it here in P52. So now he cannot reach me, not at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, he can reach me. I need another blocker here. So I use a 1 from Hawaii, and I can use 4 spaces. 1 to P37, 2 to P36. Oh no, so 37, 47, 46, and I will arrive here in P53. Sorry, the task marker is in a way. So I have blocker ships here, 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 and here. So 60, 51, it's crowded, 52 and 53. To protect this fleet, just realized that's not a good position because he can use, he can split up his forces. Wait a second, from Hawaii I can go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3, I need to stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I should go to 44, but that's not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it is possible. I moved to 44. Sorry for the chaos here, guys. So this is now blockaded, and I need another one for this this location here, 43. I use another destroyer here, moving 1, 2, and 3 to 43. A couple destroyers around here now, and the other destroyers, they will move to, I have 4 more. They will also move 4 to 38, 56, Samoa, and oh wait a second, no, I want to go to 64 actually. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can use the route along the Marshall Islands and Solomon Islands to arrive here close to Queensland. 4 more destroyers here, and the heavy battleship will do the same. So I have now 3 heavy battleships down here, protected by the blocker unit. The fleet carrier will also move down to 64. And I think that's about it for this side of the board. Pretty empty now. Let's go to placement of units. I will lend lease the air transport to Anzac, so to Sydney. Yeah, I will bring it down to Sydney. From San Francisco, there's no way to blockade this, so that's working. The air transport for FEC starts here in Washington, goes down all the way across below Africa and land in Calcutta. So he cannot blockade there too. And the KMT artillery will be lend-leased via, and I had to check the rulebook, but if this major port here is touching both sea zones and only one is blockaded, I can use the other sea zone. And as P14 and P15 is not no ships inside, and P7 is also free, I can use the factory up here in the northwest and goes through the northern route here. It's totally empty. I can enter the Sea of Japan, go to P14, and then put an artillery here in Nanking. All right, what more to do? So lend-lease is done. I will add a major port here to Samoa. Gives me a broader range. The 5 destroyers, they will be put into San Francisco. Subs can't reach me from there. That's okay. Then we have factory. This factory will be built in southern Italy. Yep, that looks good. And the marine and the strategic rocket goes to Albania. And I have a militia. One will be placed in Albania. I will bring a task marker down here soon, and the heavy strategic bomber goes to London. I still have the bonus of having the possibility to play something in London. And another militia, and I'm not sure which place. I know. Sorry, should go to southern Italy, of course. And that is it, guys. Let's check for the numbers. No change. 62 plus 12 is 74, and I saved $3 is 77. Looking forward for the next turn. Let's see what Germany has in their pocket and any plan they wanna implement. Let's see. Could be a fun turn. 5-star out. Next up, Germany.